Imagine a world where the roles of parenthood are completely flipped, where the father carries the unborn, experiences the full journey of pregnancy, and ultimately gives birth. It sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, a biological impossibility in most species we know. But deep beneath the ocean's surface, such a marvel of nature not only exists but thrives. Prepare to have your understanding of reproduction challenged and redefined. We're talking about the seahorse, a creature of unparalleled elegance and an evolutionary enigma. Unlike any other animal on Earth, it's the male seahorse that undertakes the incredible journey of pregnancy, carrying hundreds, sometimes thousands, of developing embryos within a specialized pouch on his abdomen. This isn't just about holding eggs. It's a full-fledged gestation, complete with nutrient transfer and oxygen supply. It's a biological commitment that puts human paternal roles into an entirely new perspective. How does this extraordinary process unfold? What are the intricate biological mechanisms that allow a male creature to become pregnant and give birth? And what evolutionary advantages could possibly lead to such a unique reproductive strategy? We're about to dive deep into the fascinating world of seahorse reproduction, exploring every incredible step of this paternal miracle. If you're as captivated by the wonders of nature as we are, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future explorations. At the heart of this phenomenon is the male seahorse's brood pouch, a specialized structure found on his ventral side. This isn't just an external pocket. It's a complex organ lined with highly vascularized tissues, designed to create a perfectly controlled environment for the developing embryos. Think of it as an external womb, meticulously regulated to mimic the conditions of a female's uterus, a truly astounding adaptation in the animal kingdom. Before pregnancy can begin, seahorses engage in an elaborate and mesmerizing courtship ritual. Pairs meet daily, often performing an intricate dance that involves synchronized swimming, tail grasping, and color changes, sometimes lasting for hours. This ritual strengthens their pair bond and ensures both partners are ready for the delicate process of egg transfer. It's a beautiful display of aquatic ballet, a prelude to the extraordinary event that follows. Once the male's pouch is prepared and the pair bond is reaffirmed, the female seahorse makes her move. She carefully deposits her unfertilized eggs into the male's brood pouch through a specialized tube called an ovipositor. This transfer is a delicate and precise maneuver, requiring perfect coordination between the two partners. It's the moment the female's genetic contribution is handed over, entrusting the male with the incredible responsibility of carrying their offspring. Immediately after the eggs are safely inside, the male seahorse fertilizes them within his pouch. Unlike external fertilization, where eggs are released into the open water, this internal fertilization protects the vulnerable eggs from predators and environmental hazards. The pouch then seals, beginning the true gestation period. This internal environment is critical for the success of the developing embryos, offering them a secure and controlled start to life. For the next 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the species and water temperature, the male seahorse becomes a living incubator. He carries his precious cargo, often continuing his daily routines of feeding and camouflage. The transformation inside his pouch is profound, as hundreds of tiny embryos begin their intricate development from single cells into fully formed miniature seahorses. His body undergoes significant physiological changes to support this demanding role. During gestation, the male's brood pouch doesn't just hold the eggs, it actively nourishes them. The lining of the pouch develops a rich network of blood vessels, akin to a mammalian placenta, which supplies oxygen and essential nutrients to the developing embryos. Waste products are also removed, maintaining a pristine environment for growth. This sophisticated system highlights the incredible evolutionary adaptations that have allowed male seahorses to take on such a unique reproductive role. The male seahorse is a meticulous caretaker, actively regulating the conditions within his brood pouch. He controls the salinity, oxygen levels, and even the pH of the fluid surrounding the embryos. This intricate control ensures optimal development, shielding the vulnerable young from the fluctuating external environment. It's a testament to the complexity of this paternal care, far beyond simply carrying the eggs. As the weeks pass, the tiny embryos inside the pouch grow rapidly. Each one, a miniature version of its parent, begins to develop its distinctive seahorse shape, complete with a long snout, prehensile tail, and dorsal fin. They absorb the yolk from their eggs and begin to utilize the nutrients provided by the father. The pouch becomes a bustling nursery, preparing hundreds of new lives for their grand entrance into the ocean. As the due date approaches, the male seahorse exhibits noticeable changes. His pouch becomes incredibly distended, stretching to its limits to accommodate the fully developed fry. He may become restless, rubbing his pouch against objects, and his breathing might become more labored. These are the telltale signs that the incredible moment of birth is drawing near, a period of anticipation and intense physical demand for the expectant father. The birth itself is a spectacular event, often resembling a series of powerful contractions. The male seahorse will arch his body, shake violently, and push, expelling the fully formed miniature seahorses from his pouch. This process can be strenuous and may last for several hours as he works to release all his offspring into the open water. It's a display of sheer biological force, a true labor of love. And then they emerge. Hundreds, sometimes over 1,000, perfectly formed, fully independent miniature seahorses are expelled into the ocean currents. They are exact replicas of their parents, just tiny enough to fit on a fingertip. This moment is a testament to the male's dedication and the incredible efficiency of this unique reproductive strategy. Each tiny creature is ready to face the vastness of the ocean. Once born, the seahorse fry are immediately independent. They don't receive any further parental care from either the male or the female. They are born equipped to navigate their new world, instinctively seeking out plankton for food and finding shelter amongst seagrass or coral. The sheer number of offspring released at once is a survival strategy, increasing the chances that at least a few will survive to adulthood. After the exhausting ordeal of birth, the male seahorse's parental duties are complete. His pouch quickly deflates, returning to its normal size, and he is often ready to mate again within a day or two. There's no cuddling, no teaching, no protecting the young. His contribution is solely in the gestation and birth, a stark contrast to many other species where parental care extends far beyond birth. Life for a newborn seahorse is incredibly perilous. They are tiny, vulnerable, and face an overwhelming number of predators, from fish to jellyfish. Only a very small percentage of the thousands born will survive to reach maturity. Their survival depends on finding food, avoiding danger, and navigating the vast, unpredictable ocean currents. It's a harsh reality for these miniature marvels. So, why did seahorses evolve such a unique and demanding reproductive strategy? Scientists theorize that male pregnancy allows for faster reproductive cycles, as the female can prepare her next batch of eggs, while the male is still pregnant. This could be a significant advantage in environments where resources are plentiful or predator pressure is high. It doubles the reproductive output, making it an incredibly efficient system. While seahorses are the most famous example of male pregnancy, they are not entirely alone in their unique parental dedication. Closely related pipefish also exhibit male pregnancy, and certain species of frogs, like the Suriname toad, carry their young embedded in their backs. These examples remind us that nature's ingenuity knows no bounds, constantly surprising us with its diverse and often bizarre solutions to the fundamental challenge of reproduction. The male seahorse's journey from courtship to carrying, and finally to giving birth, is one of the most astonishing stories in the natural world. It challenges our preconceptions about gender roles, parenthood, and the very limits of biological possibility. It's a powerful reminder that the ocean holds countless mysteries, waiting to be discovered and understood. What other incredible parental strategies in nature have amazed you? Share your thoughts and stories in the comments below. We love hearing from you.